Hi guys, I'm Alex and I show you this brand new HP 2021 standard laptop, 17.3 inch. It comes with Windows 11 and here you can see a clean English new installed Windows 11. It's perfect, but I want to show you how to recover this laptop. First, it's very important that the solid state disk is always okay. You can check it at the BIOS. I want to show you, but first shut down, if you can shut down, so maybe the HP wouldn't boot. So now plug in the DC jack and I'm plugged in a mouse, so power on and press escape. That's the first option I want to show you how to recover the laptop. The second option is a Windows 11 boot stick. It's a little bit tricky at the moment because you need a chipset driver. I'll show you this maybe in another video. So here it's the how to install, how to recover with the standard HP recovery system. So first, now we pressed escape. You can see the start menu. You can go to F2 for diagnostics. Oh, English is here. And you can do some component tests, whatever, but you can go to exit. You can check the component, the solid state disk, is everything okay, but maybe the Windows 11 wouldn't boot because your hard disk or solid state disk is damaged. So if you check that, we can go to exit and again press escape. A little bit zoom in, and now F11 is for the recovery. Press F11, oh my English. Now you can see here, more zoom in, yeah, perfect. Continue, continue booting. No, we want use a device if you want to use this Windows Media Creation, but we can go to troubleshoot. And now you can select reset this PC or laptop or advanced options. Advanced options is interesting if you want to start up repair, go to the last update, if you are a little bit freak and you use the command prompt, and you can use a system restore point you set, but we can go back to the normal and say reset this computer. And now he asks, but first thing, always save your data. You lost everything if you do this, and don't think about it if you reset this computer. So choose an option, keep my files or remove everything. So that means everything is removed, all your data, pictures, whatever, apps and settings. If you give this computer to another person, select remove everything. If you want to reset the Windows 11, you can select keep my files. Now I select remove everything, and you can select local reinstall if the recovery partition on this laptop is okay. We can select local reinstall. Cloud download, he downloaded it from the Microsoft website or other users. Now we select local reinstall, and you can select it with the cursor here with the keyboard. And now he asks clean the drive fully. It takes a long time because they write over any data on the laptop. If you want to give this laptop to another person, if it's a freak, when it's a freak, he can recover your personal data. So better you select clean the drive fully. if you want to install or reinstall this Windows 11 just for you, you can select the quick version here, just remove my files, clean everything. So getting ready. It's similar to the most HP laptops in 2021 for the customers, but be careful, and there are so many laptops on the market. So are you ready to reset this device? You remove everything on the laptop. So now we can go to reset, and now he's resetting the computer, and we don't have this time, but after the reset you can see that the Windows go to the desktop. You can do some informations. Now if you have any questions, write in the comments. Good luck, and no warranty, be very careful, and if it doesn't fit, you can try the second option with this Windows 11 stick you can create on the Microsoft website, but you need a chipset driver. You have to download first from the HP website, and it's a little bit tricky. I'll do it maybe a second video if I have the time. Then I show you how to install with this Windows 11 stick. But the easiest option is this here, and now we wait, but I don't have the time to wait. If you have any questions, write in the comments, and goodbye.